The Fox in the Well. The fox, he had an awfu' drouth. His mouth was dry as hell. Trotting around in the breaking sun, he come across a well. He louped in and swam about. His drouth he weel did slocken, then a quandary did arise, and his hear a voice had spoken. Though you've cured your drouth, you are a loon. You canna get out noo, and you'll likely droon. But by there come a billy goat, and he was drouthy too. Jings, said the bald renard, this is my lucky day. Come in, and drink your fill, you're welcome to my well. I'll be glad of some company, I'm just in here mysel. In louped the billy goat, without ony hesitation. Thanks, pal, you're awfu' kind, I accept your invitation. When the goat was in the well, the fox climbed on his back. He was able to get out and get back on the track. How will I get out of here? The goat said in dismay. Sorry, the fox replied. I couldn't really say.